y'all, Josh and Holly Outdoors. We're out here in Virginia shooting the 458 Socom subsonic suppressed. Josh is going to shoot at 1,000 yards and also 100 yards back to back. He's going to tell you a little bit about the bullet and the technology that goes into this shot.
Alright, so this is a 458 Socom bolt action I built. It's got a 1 in 8 twist barrel. I'll be shooting these 570 grain Lehigh Defense control fracturing bullets at around 1,000 feet per second. On top, I've got the ATN ABL1500 rangefinder attached to the ATN ThOR 4 2.5x 640 thermal optic. This rangefinder Bluetooth with this scope. So I press the button on the scope, the rangefinder ranges the plate and moves the reticle instantaneously for the load that I have plugged into the optic. And Holly's gonna hop behind the camera and we're gonna go ahead and make the shot. Alright, so now I'm gonna shoot the 458 Socom bolt action at 1,000 yards subsonic. Zoom out here. Alright, I've ranged at 1,001 yards. My vertical is dang near at the bottom of the screen there. I can see in the distance there a little black speck, which is that steel gong. Let's give it a go. That was a hit. Now I'm going to come back to this other target here at 98 yards. You can watch the reticle jump back up to the screen. I want to take it out. Knock the whole steel plate off of there. So there you have it. 1,000 yards with the 458 Socom subsonic, thanks to the ABL1500 rangefinder paired with the ATN ThOR 4 2.5 640 thermal optic. Wow, so we came down here to the 1,001 yard steel gong we had set up, and you can see with the bullet hit right there, and it just goes to show what incredible technology ATN has to make these type of shots possible. The ability to move that reticle in the scope instantaneously and then come back and engage a target around 100 yards right after you shot 1,000 is incredible. So I hope you guys take a hard look at some ATN optics and this type of technology and use them on coyote stands and deer hunting and, you know, crossbows. It also applies the same concept. So you guys stay tuned. We'll keep some videos coming, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hit. Now I'm going to come back to this other target here at 98 yards. You can watch the reticle jump back up to the screen. I want to take it out.